Hello everyone, we are going to configure Oracle SQL Developer. So let's start it. At first we're searching for the SQL Developer. So here it is. Let's click it. Now this type of interface we'll get. From here we'll click the plus button. We'll name a connection name and you have to give the proper valid password here. And now the SID. This is my SID, and now whenever I'm testing it, it's showing us error message. The network adapter couldn't establish the connection. So let's see how you can solve it. First, we have to go to the Oracle installation location. In my PC, I installed it in D drive. Here is app pharmacy, and here product db1, and then I will find the network folder. From here I will select this admin folder, and here the listener file is appear here, and I will open it. You can open it in any editor, text file or notepad file. Here the host is the IP address 192.168.1.113. I'm copying it and I'm returned to my configuration template. So here host name is named as localhost here. I'm remove it and paste the IP address here, and let's check this again whether it's okay or not. Let's click test is successful status. So then I click connect and my database connected to the SQL server. Hope you understand. Thank you very much.